Hi, and welcome to this use case video for Screen Configurator. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a solution for a customer regarding the manual matching bank reconciliation screen. So the first thing in this screen that needed to be changed was the text column size, which can't be changed manually. You can see there's no kind of grab handles or arrows there, and it's not big enough to really read the text within. Second part was the actual columns themselves. The columns aren't changeable in Windows options, so the columns you've got are the columns you've got, and they wanted some different columns to be available to them. So both of those solutions were managed through Screen Configurator. So if I come into here, we're in the TCB007 screen, that's manual matching. In the visibility side of things, we have cashbook transactions, or cashbook trans and statement trans. Those two sections represent these two sections here, and for both of those we have disable auto resize turned on, so it won't try and automatically resize the columns on its own. I'm going to turn all of these on so you can see the difference, and the other three elements here are three different column changes. So bank text 2 was something they wanted to add, as was voucher type, and they wanted to hide the currency. Okay, so this is all about visibility, and because we've added those two new columns, they also needed to have titles, and there are the titles being applied, so bank text 2 and transaction type. So if I save that, having activated them, come back to manual matching and click on clear. Actually, for this, I might need to close the screen and reopen it. Lots of things will happen immediately when you click clear, but as I've changed the way those tables are actually being presented, I need to close and reopen the screen. So now you can see straight away that text is much bigger. Still doesn't quite fit by default, but now we have some handles that we can use to grab that column and make it bigger. And we can do that with any of these columns. Same goes on the statement side, and also there is the bank text 2 and the transaction type columns available as they wanted. So the last thing that could be done on here in Screen Configurator is to use the field order to actually re-sequence these columns into a different order. You can change them manually anyway, but that could be done forcibly through Screen Configurator. So there we go, problem solved. Thank you.